Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Chandigarh. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they offer high-quality scanning solutions for various industries. Whether it's for reverse engineering, quality control, or product development, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the capabilities to meet the diverse needs of their clients. 3D scanning services have revolutionized the way businesses operate, especially in the manufacturing and design sectors. By using advanced scanners, Scon Design India Private Ltd can capture precise measurements and create detailed digital models of physical objects. This process allows for faster prototyping, accurate replication, and improved product design. One of the key advantages of 3D scanning services is their ability to capture intricate details that may be difficult to replicate manually. Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of accuracy in their scans, which is why they invest in the latest scanning technology. Their team of skilled professionals ensures that every scan is precise, delivering high-resolution models that can be used for various applications. Scon Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services cater to a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, architecture, and medical. Their expertise extends to reverse engineering, where they can recreate physical objects into digital models for further analysis or modification. This process is particularly useful for legacy parts or components that need to be redesigned or replaced. In addition to reverse engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers quality control scans. These scans help identify any manufacturing defects or inconsistencies in a product. By comparing the digital model with the original design specifications, any deviations can be detected and rectified early on in the production process. When it comes to 3D scanning services in Chandigarh, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider in the region. With their expertise in the field, they offer high-quality scanning solutions that cater to the diverse needs of their clients. Whether it's for product development, reverse engineering, or quality control purposes, Scon Design India Private Ltd has the capabilities to deliver accurate and precise 3D scans. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for 3D scanning services is their state-of-the-art technology. They utilize advanced scanning equipment and software to ensure that the scans are of the highest quality. This allows them to capture even the smallest details with precision, resulting in highly accurate digital representations of physical objects. In addition to their cutting-edge technology, Scon Design India Private Limited also boasts a team of skilled professionals who are well-versed in the field of 3D scanning. Their expertise and knowledge enable them to handle complex scanning projects with ease. Whether it's a small component or a large-scale object, they have the skills and experience to deliver exceptional results. Furthermore, Scon Design India Private Ltd understands the importance of timely delivery.